We're cleaning the carpet. It's late afternoon. We had to do a really heavy pre-vacuum on it because they have a new housekeeper who didn't vacuum at all, so we had to vacuum everything with a Dyson. This carpet's about 4 months old, so whoever lived here, they didn't last very long and they didn't take care of it. So that's one room, and then we got this room here. Got some dark stains here and there upon it. So now you're up to speed. One thing we noticed on a video we did a couple weeks ago is there were some things you could see on camera in the carpet. They didn't show up to the naked eye. So that's something you want to keep in mind when you're watching a video about carpet cleaning, things like that, is sometimes the camera is going to show things that the people there don't see. And there's every chance on this one there could be stuff like that. There's so much stuff in this carpet.
It's pretty dirty.
It's pretty dirty, but we're going to clean it until it looks clean to us. And if it shows up on camera later that it's clean, that's great. If it's not perfect, then,
that's good enough.
Yeah, it looks good to the naked eye.
Yeah.
A lot of the streaking and stuff you see on camera after we finish, that's just areas where the carpet's different wetness than some other areas.
Where I'm at right here, there's two little red marks. And I sprayed straight ammonia on them and they faded out quite a bit, but they're not out all the way, so I'll probably have to take them out with an iron, which is fine. They don't take but 40 seconds.
Luckily this carpet's pretty new, but it was in pretty bad condition, so hopefully it's not going to be too hard to clean. You can usually clean them 1 or 2 times successfully, then they start to get so worn out that they start to get hard to clean.
Now this thing will come out brand new looking again.
Not too bad.
No, it's turning out.
With the low moisture method that we're using, these carpets should be dry in a couple of hours.
Or less.
Yeah.
Now, I put the spray down pretty heavy. I don't care about getting the carpets wet. The wetter they are, the cleaner you get them. I'm not saying you should get them sopping wet, but you want to get them pretty damp if you want to have really good results.
When they're that dirty, yeah. You're going to flip the bonnet before you go in the other room?
Not till it looks like it needs it. That's another thing. When you flip the bonnet, you don't need to flip the bonnet as long as you're picking up stuff. When you quit picking up, you need to flip the bonnet. That's how you know the bonnet is that you quit picking up good. You'll just notice that you're smearing stuff around and not picking it up. And that's when it's time to flip the bonnet, and then you can start absorbing again.
Yeah, you never finished your... Did you do the closet?
Yep. While you were talking.
That's right.
Did it quick.
Alright, it's pretty dingy there by the door.
Now these carpets actually looked a lot worse than this, but the pre-spray we put down, it just started eating up all the soil, all the dirt.
Yeah, they had some real dark areas, but the pre-spray already started lightening everything.
Yeah, the truth is the carpets was pretty dirty, and we didn't get a video before we started, before I sprayed. As soon as I put the spray down, dirt just started disappearing. My brother came, he left and went out to the van real quick, and he come back in. He said, "Man, the dirt's gone." I was like, "Yeah, the pre-spray did it." It was kind of a, when you got your pre-spray right, it will start taking the dirt out for you. Without you having to do the work, it'll start on it for you, because it loosens it up. Now the dirt's still in there, because it hasn't been absorbed, so it's in the carpet someplace, but it's absorbed, but it's getting off the carpet fibers. But yeah, it does an amazing job real quick. The pre-spray will take, if you got the right pre-spray, your carpets will come clean. Before you start cleaning them, you'll notice a lot of the soil is gone. This door was real dirty, so let me hit it one more time. When you do this, if you got a dirty area, just hit it more than once. It's not going to hurt you. That way you know you've got it. See, here's a dirty spot. And there it goes. Yeah, this carpet was real dirty, and they got a new housekeeper, and she forgot to vacuum, so we told them next time we're going to charge them to vacuum. But we do this one for free this one time, and so we had to do an extra big vacuum. We vacuum most of our carpets, but we vacuum after our housekeeper, so we don't have a big mess in our vacuum.
Yeah, we always do it because people don't vacuum very good most of the time.
No.
So even if someone says, "I've already vacuumed," you don't have to worry about it.
No way.
You've seen some of the carpets we've done, and we still end up getting a good canister full from the vacuum that we do. So you still have to, it's still a good idea to vacuum ahead of time. We actually vacuum a little bit more carefully when we're going to use the rug doctor, because we don't like getting the vacuum chute and everything clogged up with debris. So when you're using a bonnet to clean, if it turns out that the vacuuming wasn't so hot, a lot of times you can still clean the carpet. It just moves stuff out of the way.
But we won't lie to you. We don't
Turn that light off.
We don't vacuum every time. We've got a job lined up for in the morning where someone's supposed to vacuum for me arrive in somebody's house, so across town, and we're not going to vacuum it. He is. That's part of it.
Or he's going to have to pay more.
Yeah.
If it turns out he didn't get it vacuumed, then we'll have to vacuum it for him.
We'll charge.
We'll have to charge him for it. So
we're nice guys, but not nice enough to do a lot of free work.
well, you could do a little bit.
A
little bit, but you can't just give away your work. You have to charge for the stuff you're doing.
Yeah, if you're real nice, they will take advantage of you.
Yeah.
They'll think you're stupid, and they will take advantage of you every which way they can. That's just how it is. You can't be this is not a nice guy world we live in.
You know, I'm going to go real quick and spray some peroxide on those red stains, just because it can lighten up over the next 10 minutes.
You can try.
And we'll see. Alright. This is 20 volume peroxide. It's just in a regular peroxide container, but we use that because it's a good, you need something that's opaque that you can't see through. Spray those down real good. Alright, let it sit. Sometimes within about 10 minutes you'll start to see that stuff fading out. We'll iron it if we have to. Although I don't think he brought rags. Yeah, maybe he did. The peroxide we're using is on our Amazon influencer store. If you need some, it's called 20 volume developer. And we sell it on there, and you can get the same thing at beauty supply warehouses and stuff if you want to get it, but It's not the same as what you get at the drugstore.
You can get this machine on there too if you want to start into the carpet cleaning business.
Yeah, I'll put a link to the Amazon influencer store. We have lots of carpet and floor cleaning equipment and other useful items, so you can check there. The pre-spray we used was simple green. What did you use, 2 cups per gallon? 1 cup?
Yeah, something like, I mean, yeah, something. I don't honestly measure it. I just pour some in there. The truth is, I don't really measure stuff, but it'd be equivalent.
It's about a cup.
It'd be equivalent of a cup and a half or so per gallon of water, something like that.
Yeah. And we didn't put peroxide in the spray this time. We're going to a job tomorrow. We're going to try to have that pre-spray ready to go, and we don't want to put peroxide in it until we get there, if we need it.
Yeah. And I do believe we're done.
Yeah. Did you do the? You did do the closet.
Yep. No, the way we do it is, if you're going to use a whole bunch of simple green or whatever, you want to measure. But if you just kind of pour a little in there, you can do that. It's fine.
Yeah, you just give it a shot. You don't want to put too much in there.
You know what? Did you put peroxide in that?
Yeah, but leave it alone for another 5 minutes. Let's get all the equipment put away.
The truth is, when you have red stains, and they get to this point, you might get them out more, or you might just...
you can take the dye off the carpet if you stay on there too long, so you want to be kind of careful. It's a judgment call.
Peroxide will work on this stain overnight.
I'm going to go ahead and... we got to put all this equipment away, and then we're going to give that a little more time, see how it goes, and we may take those out with an iron, or we may let them wait and see how they look in a little bit, but that'll be all for the video right now. We're gonna have to fix that before we rake the carpet, so I'm not going to show the final results, but you get the basic gist of what's going on here. So the Oreck Orbiter saved another one.
Yes, sir.
So hope you enjoyed that. Yeah. So that's all for this one. So until next time, thanks for watching.